In today's video, I'll show you how to easily arrange documents in DocuSign. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick guides. First, log into your DocuSign account and head over to the Agreements section. For this demo, we'll focus on drafts, since drafts let you tweak and organize everything before sending. Once inside, click Continue and you'll see your uploaded documents. To reorder them, just drag and drop. It's super intuitive and lets you place documents in the exact sequence you want. After arranging, hit Next to move into the editing mode where you can add signatures, initials, and any other fields. This step ensures your documents are fully ready for signing. When everything looks good, click Actions, Save, and Close. Your documents are now perfectly organized and ready for the signing process. And that's it. You've just learned how to arrange documents in DocuSign the easy way. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more 2025 tutorials.